Greetings, River Lady here, and I will apologize up front for the stuttering. My neurological thing has been kicking up for the past week. And I apologize also for any shakiness. My tripod broke. Anyway, it's getting pretty chilly here on the Concord River, and so I really need to winterize my bearded iris beds. I have one here and I have one over there. And I have netting around the beds because the squirrels have been digging up my irises. And look at what I have. Even though it's been cold, one of my reblooming irises is getting ready for a third blossom. She's already bloomed twice, so I will cut her off and bring her in the house tonight, because she'll really freeze her little petals off at tonight's weather. Okay, so the first thing when you're getting your bearded iris beds ready for winter is you want to cut back the leaves down to the rhizomes. So you just take the fronds down to about an inch of the rhizome. You want to get rid of the leaves. Don't compost them. Put them in your trash. And then you want to move the dirt aside and get the rhizome exposed. Pull away any brown leaves and get them right out of your bed. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cut these all back and clean up all the debris, and then I will be back. Alrighty, all the fronds have been cut back to the tubers, and I've weeded and gotten out most of the leaves and the little pieces of weeds peeking up. Missed some. Like there's a little weed. Where am I? Right there. So we're gonna pull him right out of there. You don't stay. And I've exposed as many of the deep tubers as I can. And, oh dear, where are you going? Come on, get in there. It's cold out here. There you go. Okay, the next thing to do is to cover your bed if your zone tends to get very cold. You don't have to cover your bed if your zone tends to stay mild during the winter. But if it does get cold and the ground freezes, then thaws, and you get frost heaves, you want to cover your bed. You don't want to cover your bearded iris bed with oak leaves because they will encourage mold and rot, and the tubers will rot. You don't want to use bagged pine compost or cedar compost because, again, it will encourage rot. You could use hay or straw to cover your bed. Just place it lightly over your bed. So I invested a roll of straw with this photodegradable netting, and it has the straw already built into the netting. I've never used it before, but I'm going to give it a try now and place it on my iris bed. I'll be right back. Okay, so that's it for this bed. That's all you have to do. You don't want to feed your bearded irises in autumn. This is River Lady saying thank you for watching. Oh, and let me show you. Remember my 2 geese from last spring? Well, they're back again. Hi guys. Guess they stopped by to say hello before they start their migration. Okay, this is River Lady saying thank you for watching and being so patient with my health issues. And I wish you happy gardening, and please subscribe unless you can't stand my stuttering, which let me tell you, I so get it. Okay, bye.